folks. Sorry about the microphone. My microphone's charging. I left it for like 4 days and it went dead. Yeah, so you're going to see me push the button while after. Weekly, what's new? What's new? I've been working on a few things. My plasma cutter freaking bit the dust, so that's new. I picked up a nice new piece of machinery from a place in Rhinebeck, New York. Way past Albany, New York. It was a fun drive. Definitely go to Sam's Club in Albany. It's really big. I'll be, it's a, what do you call it, a vintage die filer, if anybody knows what that is. I'll be showing you that in a video in about a week or two. I also have a project that I'm going to use it for. As soon as I get some files for it, I'm going to be finishing off a small project I'm working on. I also am cleaning up some stuff. Today I'm working, this week I'm also working on this, what do you call it, this pattern here. It's cut out of sheet metal. I have the sheet metal. I'm going to be recording that video in a few minutes. I'll pop that up during this week also. What else? Things seem to be moving along pretty good. My eyes are driving me nuts because, I don't know, my sleep apnea machine keeps blowing air in my eyes. So I keep getting, so if I look like I'm got bubble eyes, it's because of that. I got fresh juice in the place here. I have a few more tools that I picked up that I will be, this one's not even open yet, that I will be getting. A few more tools in the works that I ordered. I ordered a new, what I've been learning recording videos is that when you record them, and I'm using this as like a work desk, I decided to order a desk mount holder and save the tripod for when I move it over there, because like over there I have a mount, kind of a different one I bought. It works okay for the lathe, but this one, I don't know, anyway, you'll see it, I'll show you next week when I get it. I ordered another reamer and a collet block for my milling machine, so I want to make some. And other than that, not much new. Got to clean this shithole up. I have a little project I'm going to make. I'm going to put this on the wall. I think I showed you already in the video. Got a bunch of spray paint. I got to do some, I got to do some test, what do you call it? Some test sprays, see what color I like. See if I can get some more paint. Finish. I'm working on the, at night. It's a little quieter. The, what the hell is it called again? Circle cutter, which I keep forgetting the name. And that's pretty much it. And without my glasses, I really can't see what the hell I'm doing right now, but I look like an, what do you call it? A weird minion with them on. So anyway, that's pretty much what's new. Keep it short and sweet. If you're my 653rd subscriber, thank you very much. I've been making shorts. They've been kind of falling off the wagon, the shorts. I was getting a lot of subscribers on shorts who were joined because of my shorts. Thank you. You're awesome. Lately, I've been getting like 2 views out of them. They haven't been really doing much. So I'll be making some more fun shorts. And I don't know. Other than that, I had Popeye's chicken last night. Yeah, not bad. So anyway, I think that's it really. Place is a mess. Doing some work and what else? I'm having fun. So I hope you like the channel. Don't forget to weld on. Take your stick welder and touch the like button. Take your hammer and smash the, what do you call it, subscribe button, and tell all your friends and family that you're watching my channel. And tell them I got a big shiny forehead. Toodles. Thanks for watching.